Okay, hi everyone, fantastic fourth graders. I miss you, and just wanted to say that today we're going to do the Trumpet of the Swan. Yesterday you did chapter 5, and today you're going to read chapter 6. Okay, so I found a typo here. You should have added these words yesterday to your yellow reading notebook. And you should be looking for these words as you are reading chapter 5 and chapter 6. Defective, buoyant, candidly, and odious. Okay, another thing I want you to work on today when you're with your reading buddy is don't forget to add to your settings and character pages in your reading notebook. And remember, sometimes the setting will change to a different setting, and sometimes characters at the beginning of a book begin to change throughout the book. So note some of those changes on your character pages. Just know that the teacher will be walking around checking your notebooks. Please write neatly so she doesn't get eye strain. And I will be looking at these pages when I get back. So make sure that you're just doing a really good job, and talk to your buddy about these and talk about the characters, and do a good job in your notebook. Okay, these are the questions that you're going to be focusing on as you're reading chapter 6 today, and some of them were answered in chapter 5. So I'm going to make sure you have a copy of these so that you can look at them as you're reading and talk about them with your reading buddy. So here are the questions. What is different about Lewis? How did the cob hurt Lewis's feelings? What does the cob promise Lewis? Why does the cob make an exhibition flight? Does Lewis fly? How does Sam feel when he sees the swans? Okay, so as you get started today, here are the steps, the things that I want you to do. Number 1, read chapter 6 with your reading buddy. Now you can read that aloud to each other, each taking turns, a page. I read a page, you read a page. Or if you decide with your reading buddy that you would rather read it silently, that's okay. And then when you're finished, you can talk about the questions. So when you're finished reading chapter 6, discuss the questions with your buddy. Then by yourself, you can answer these by yourself. Go to Google Classroom. Each person has their own copy. Go to Google Classroom and answer the questions using complete sentences. Remember to type wonderful fourth grade level sentences. I will be looking at these. Number 4, you may go to Reading Workshop. You can read around the room, or you can read on Get Epic. No graphic novels today. And remember just to stay on task as you're reading. Don't talk to your neighbor. Really use this time to improve your reading skills. Okay, that's all for today. I will be talking to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.